Bracken, are you feeding the birds?
Say hi.
Say hello.
Keep going.
You guys are mean.
Fill it up.
I hate you.
Put it in there.
Good job.
This. Dump it in.
Over here. Over here. Over here. Over here.
Here.
No, people don't like us there. Why? Why? We go back.
Bracken, are you helping Daddy?
Oopsies. Here. Dump it in. Dump it in. Good job. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. Dump it in. Good job. There. Dump it in. Good job. Keep going. Here. Dump it in. Good job. Here. All right, dump it in. Good job.
Good job, Bracken.
All done. All done. Watch. Look.
Bracken, look, that's for the birds to eat. You just ate grass. You have grass in your mouth.
Can you put the cup back in? Put the cup back in. Okay, go get the other bird feeder. You can help me fill it. I'm gonna go get the other one. I'll be right back.
Bracken, you did a good job.
I'm gonna get the other one. I'll be right back.
Why are you crying? Huh? Hey. Why are you crying? Daddy's coming back with the other bird feeder.
Here I come.
Are you gonna help him? Are you gonna help him?
No.
No.
Here we go. Ready? Fill it up. Okay, put it in there. Good job. Okay, put it in. Good job. Here. Ready? Tell me pour it. Put it in.
Close. He doesn't want help.
Here, you do it. You missed it.
Bracken, are you helping Daddy feed the birds? Huh? Yeah?
Let me get it. Oh, you want to do it? Pour it in. There we go.
Good
All
job.
filled.
It's all done.
I'm going to go hang it up.
Why are you throwing a tantrum? Oh, look at that face. Yeah, okay.
You want to watch me? Come here. Down here. Come down here. Come down here, Bracken.
Come on. Walk.
This way.
Let's walk this way. This way. Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
We're going to hang it.
Bracken, come here.
Okay, say bye-bye. I'm throwing a tantrum.